All right, what's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. We got some interesting stuff to show you today. We're going to have a look at what the altcoin market cap did the last time Bitcoin bounced off the 50-week moving average. So, we're going to have a look at that, and we're going to have a look at some Zbeck and so much more. So, make sure you check it out, guys. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and let's dive on into it here. All right, so going across the market, we got some good DCA. Crypto's correcting a little bit, not too much, just enough of an opportunity. I mean, after 2 days of nice green action, little minor correction, single digit correction is not bad, right? Zbeck, on the other hand, is like, hold my beer. Same thing with Swift Coins, deciding to want to try to move up. Very nice. Very nice. I already did my DCA portfolio video update for the Patreon members this morning, so make sure you check that out. Stuff like Uniswap pumping nicely, Flux, Velodrome, Aerodrome. I will get into later today why Uniswap is pumping, because there is a reason. So we'll probably talk about it in the live stream later today. But otherwise, guys, like I said, just a minor correction across the board. It might even end up flipping green by later this afternoon. Going a little broader, you got your privacy coins that are correcting now. Zcash, Dash. Had to cough there. All correcting. So yeah, that's to be expected after such a monster run, right? I mean, look at Zcash is up 93.9% on the month, right? So of course it's going to be correcting. Same thing with Dash. So yeah. Anyway, looking good, guys. Nice little opportunity, not financial advice. I'm only here to entertain and educate you. Bitensor has been getting pretty pounded this month too. It's up 6.5%, but it's down pretty good. It's been in the top losers category every day for like, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks now. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Let's go have a look over at the Bitcoin chart, shall we? All right, so Bitcoin seems to be retesting resistance as support, which is bullish, right? That's what you want to see. You want, like, we had this level of resistance. We're down there right now. We bounced off. We've tested as support. We've wicked up a tiny bit. What we don't want to do is collapse below and then close down here. So we got to stay above 103,500 roughly, 103,300, right? Now, here's the thing. If we close the daily below there, not a big deal. Not the biggest deal in the world, right? In fact, it would actually be forming, that's right, a double bottom, right? A nice little double butt. Nice little double butt cheek there, okay? So if that's the case, then perfect, right? Because double bottom and then moon. In fact, I could see that actually playing out. Come down here, consolidate for another 2 or 3 days, and then by the end of the week, and we're going to jump over to the TradingView weekly time frame, but by the end of the week, smashing back above, and then we can really make a move, right? Let's go look at TradingView and have a look what's going on there. All right, so as you can see, guys, we are sitting right on top of the 50-week right now. As long as the weekly candle closes above right now, it's sitting at 103,150, right? So as long as we continue to close the weekly there, that's fine, right? As you can see, we tested it 3 times here, tested it almost 3 times here, so not a big deal. Even if we wick below it, guys, is again, we form that double bottom on the daily time frame, and then we break to the upside. That's kind of what I'll be watching for. So yeah, so it could be another long week, right? It could be another long week. If we drop below the 50-week again, people will be ripping their hair out, screaming in the streets, crying that it is a bear market again because they don't learn. They don't learn, right? Their emotions just take over and they act a fool. Now, I want to show you something interesting, however, okay? Let's go back in time right here to the last time we tested the 50-week on April 7th, 2025, April 7th. Look what happened with Bitcoin, right? Obviously, we had that aggressive move to the upside. Now, let's go look at the total too, the altcoins, right? What happened on April 7th? Right down here, April 7th. Altcoins did the exact same thing. And in the course of 26 weeks, the total so the altcoin market cap went up 112.39%, right? So the altcoins they ran the same time Bitcoin did on that bounce, okay? So when Bitcoin starts to move up from that bounce that we're having right now, altcoins are going to follow suit, you guys, right? They're going to follow suit. So you can listen to me, you can DCA, not financial advice, you can sit on your hands, you can complain, you could be excited, whatever it is, guys, but this is coming, in my opinion, not just for Bitcoin, but as you can see, for the altcoins as well, right? So I thought that would be something interesting to show you guys. How did the altcoins respond when Bitcoin bounced off of the 50-week, right? Now that's 26 weeks of upward price action. We did have a little bit of a bull flag right here, right, on the altcoins. We came up, we hit a bull flag, and boom, we took off, right? So, and here we are. We're actually in somewhat of a bullish structure here, right? Forming another little descending channel here. So, yeah, as you can see. Very nice, yes, very nice. You like it. So we're here. So are we going to see then this next snap to the upside? Me thinks yes, right? Me thinks yes. So we're seeing bullish signs is the point, guys, that you need to understand, right? So if we do drop below the 50-week on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, don't lose your mind and start complaining and worrying and getting scared. And always remember what I told you before, guys. 100% of the time that Bitcoin and the crypto market has crashed, 100% of the time, it has eventually recovered and gone on to put on new all-time highs. Okay, every single time. So when you get worried and you're scared and you're complaining and you're upset, you're actually upset that something that has been successful 100% of the time is suddenly not going to be successful anymore. That's what you're worried about, right? Think about things logically, think things through, right? That's all you really have to do, guys. That's all you really have to do, right? Easy peasy lemon squeezy, baby. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallets. Keep your crypto safe. Keep it in your own self-custody. You can swap your crypto, you can take profits, and you can even stake your crypto or your stablecoin right on your Decent wallet. You can use our link in the description. You're going to get a 2-for-1 deal on it today. Guys, with all these hacks going on and stuff, no one is going to reimburse you if you get your crypto stolen because you did not take the proper security measures. Again, keep your crypto safe. A little bit of a refresher here, guys, on the top of gold, right? And I want to show this because I get asked all the time, like, well, why is retail going to come in? What's going to cause retail to come in? The same thing that caused retail to behave. These people in line here that you're about to watch this clip of, these are retail, right? They're manipulated into going in and they bought the exact top. Look at this. They bought on October 15th. They were in line on October 15th to buy. Okay, and look at this little graph in the bottom right hand. That's when they were in line, right at October 15th at the top. And here we are today. Everyone who bought that day is down dramatically, right? They fell for it. They bought the top, right? Check this out. This was October, when the day that gold was at its top. Lined up outside to buy gold. All those retail investors, that's right here. That's what they were buying, the very, very top. This is what I'm trying to help you avoid doing in crypto, is avoid buying the top, and then you're down here and you're in big losses, and you think crypto's a scam, right? That's what I'm trying to help you avoid, guys, right? All right, and of course, this, courtesy of my guy, Zbeck Man, says Binance is secretly hoarding 1.2 billion Zbeck. Solscan wallet exposed. Hot wallet number one, he's got the addresses here, guys, right? Look at these numbers, 650 million, $1.82 million worth, right? 200 million on September 5th via Radium. They're purchasing this stuff, right? Orca Spike, right? That's where they're buying 135 million, October 28th, September 10th to November 5th. These are Binance wallets, guys, right? So are we about to see a Binance listing? You take me down here. Super interested in Binance. Nice. So yeah, are we going to see a Binance listing? We know that Simon had said in the last spaces that it is listing season and that there are multiple exchange listings coming for Zbeck. Are things about to explode? Methinks yes. It's not financial advice. I'm only here to educate and entertain you. Guys, if you're new to crypto, listen, I got some good news for you. We're going to give you all the help you need. Jump over to the Patreon today. The link is down below. We're going to help you design an exit strategy, figure out where your profit-taking plan should be. We can restructure your portfolio if you need help with that, figuring out where your exit price point should be. Book your one-on-one coaching calls with me today or join our group coaching calls. They're free as Patreon members, so check it out. All of our training courses are free. You get all that stuff, our daily picks. We have daily trade videos that we do in our trading group, which we've been crushing it as well. So check it all out today, guys. Get the help that you need, whether you're fine joining a group coaching call or you need more personalized one-on-one assistance. All of that is accessible to you over in the Patreon community, and it's less than the price of a cup of coffee. Check it out today. The link is down below in the description. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys in the next one. God bless.